This video is about the bow tie method of multiplication that I use with students in my class. It's kind of a hybrid method that I've developed to help kids be able to transition later on to a more traditional method of multiplication, and yet still multiply in a way that makes sense to a lot of fourth graders. And it involves two steps. So the first step is to take our numbers and break them apart by place value in expanded form. So 27 becomes 20 plus 7. That equals 27. And 53 becomes 50 plus 3. Okay, now the next step of the bow tie method, and the reason it's called bow tie, is because we draw little lines to help us remember what we're multiplying. And once we've drawn all our lines, it resembles a bow tie. And this just helps students remember what they've multiplied and what they haven't. So we're going to start right here with 7 times 3. We can actually start anywhere. I like to start with 7 times 3 because when students transition to the traditional algorithm, they're going to start with the 7 times 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. Then the next step is to come up here, and you'll notice that we're multiplying now 20 times 3. And when we multiply 20 times 3, there will be 1 0 in our answer. So we usually write the 0 first. Then we take the front of our number. 3 times 2 is 6. So 20 times 3 is 60. So we call this doing a check because it's kind of a backwards check. Then we do crisscross applesauce. We're going to multiply 50 times 7. When we do that again, our answer is going to have 1 0. And then 5 times 7 is 35. Now you can see it's starting to resemble a bow tie. And so in order to finish the bow tie, we're going to multiply these two numbers. And then we have our bow tie shape. This time, we're going to be multiplying with two numbers that have zeros. So we put down 2 zeros. 2 times 5 is 10. And then we add up all of our products. And there's our answer. So I hope that helps you if your student is talking about the bow tie method of multiplication, or if you have a student who's struggling with multiplication and needs something that's very visual to help them realize the 4 partial products that they're going to be multiplying.